Hey, Sig, this is Dream Factor News. Camry's not here, so I'm your host, Zach Now. This week I will be talking about stealing, National Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day, several school events, and the history of Christmas. For your first bit of news...
Hey, sorry I'm late. I thought this week was Christmas break.
No, Camry, that's next week.
Yeah, I realize that now.
Don't sit down yet, we have to do the pledge.
Oh.
Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget Sayagra's mission. Sayagra Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with the strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now on to this week's featured expectation. Finals and midterms will start today and will continue throughout the week. Most teachers will probably be following the schedule that you see. However, some departments may have altered the schedule, so make sure you ask your teachers about this week's finals and midterms in your classes.
The choir concert was last week. Concert is tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. Come enjoy some Christmas music at Withers Auditorium.
We have one more week of Christmas dress-up days. See this week's schedule on the screen.
The PBIS committee is hosting a student versus teacher basketball game on Friday. To attend the game, you must be passing at least 6 of your 7 classes. If you want to purchase anything from the concession stand, don't forget to bring your money.
Christmas is coming soon, so here's a quick rundown of the Christmas story. Mary was met by the angel Gabriel, and Gabriel said to her that she was to conceive God's son, Jesus. So Mary told Joseph, her fiancé, about it, and then God told them to travel to Bethlehem. When Mary and Joseph arrived at Bethlehem, they looked for somewhere to stay. Everywhere that they went was full, so Mary gave birth to Jesus in a manger in a stall. There they were met by the 3 wise men who brought gifts to the new king.
Now that we know about the story of Christmas, here are a few other holidays that happen around this time of year. Hanukkah is celebrated for 8 days to remember a miracle where 1 day's worth of oil burned for 8 days. 3 Kings Day is the day the 3 wise men first saw baby Jesus. There are many different traditions for this holiday, from getting presents to making a king's cake. Winter solstice is the shortest day of the year. People used to light bonfires to bring back the sun. There are no clubs this week.
We hope everyone has a great Christmas.
We'll see you next year, Sierra Gray. This is the Dream Factor News, signing off.